Okay guys, today we're doing chicken soup in the Instapot. For this recipe right here, we're doing 2 celery, 2 carrots, 1 onion, some garlic cloves right here. I have about 2 pounds of chicken thighs with the skin on, bone in. We have some parsley, chicken broth, some water. For these spices, we have parsley, oregano, and thyme. So yeah, let's get started. Before I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the Instapot on so it can warm up because I'm gonna be sauteing the onions and the garlic down into the butter into the bottom of the pot. My little lovely IKEA little gadget. Okay guys, so I have my celery, carrots, onions, fresh garlic, some parsley. I put the Instapot on saute mode. I'm gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of butter to the bottom and we're gonna saute the onions and the celery. And we're gonna add the carrots as well. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add our seasonings. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of thyme. And I'm gonna add my garlic. A tablespoon of oregano. Some salt and pepper. Okay, now we're gonna do 4 cups of chicken broth. Just pretty much 32-ounce box right there. I'm gonna add some of my parsley. Put my chicken in there. And then 4 cups of water. Okay, now we're gonna put the lid on. Make sure it's on sealing. Okay, so we're gonna do soup mode, 7 minutes, and then natural release. We'll be back to add 2 cups of egg noodles. We're gonna add that at the end. These are really good. I'm gonna make these with the chicken soup. My kids love these. Okay guys, this is already done cooking. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the chicken out, I'm gonna shred it up, I'm gonna put it to the side, and then I'm going to put it on saute mode again, and then we're gonna do the noodles for about 6 more minutes. Okay, now we're gonna go back to saute. I'm gonna add around 2 cups of egg noodles. We're gonna let this cook for about 6 minutes uncovered. This has been cooking for about 6 minutes and I just tried a noodle and it's perfect. So as you can see right here, it's like boiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken right back in. Turn this off. All right, let's plate this up and give it a try. this looks delicious. And like I said, I just served this right along with some rolls. This takes about 30 minutes, which if you know chicken soup from scratch, can take hours and hours on the stove. So yeah, this is great for just really quick. This is really good. Flavor on this is amazing, and you guys should check it out. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, keep an eye out for the next one.